The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in northeastern Texas until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Edom, or 16 miles west of Tyler, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tyler, Whitehouse, Lindale, Overton, Bullard, Troup, Lake Palestine, Noonday, New Chapel Hill, Winona and Carroll. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Smith, Texas.